Hello friends, so today we are solving this problem. Find the original or typed string 1. Alice is attempting to type a specific string on her computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. Just like sometimes we do, right? Let's say if I am trying to write school, so there's a possibility that I might type like this. So there are due to this mistake I'm typing some extra O's, right? So that kind of mistake can be happening here. So she may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. Although Alice tried to focus on her typing, she is aware that she may still have done this at most once. So she may do only up to once, maybe zero, an error, or maybe up to once only. She wouldn't repeat it multiple times. So for example, if she was typing school, she might do like this, either like this, or she would be typing it correctly only. Okay, it's not necessarily a meaningful word. Let's say if I am typing a b b c c, this was my intention, but because of mistake I might type like this. That means these are the extra characters. Okay, so we don't know that how many which one are, but it is given that only at most once. So either zero time or one time mistake will happen. Okay, so you are given a string word which represents the final output displayed on Alice's screen. So return the total number of possible original string that Alice might have intended to type. Okay, so for example, you can take one example. Let's say this is one string. Now we have to find that what could be the possibilities that C would have typed, because see here that A came only one time, right? A came only one time, so we are sure that C would definitely type A only. Okay, because a mistake will result to the multiple characters, right? In case whether it is intentional or unintentional, but wherever multiple frequencies are there, continuous frequency, only that place may or may not be for the mistake happened, right? So one thing is, let's say she didn't do any mistake, because she can do only one mistake or no mistake. So maybe one is the valid string, this string itself, that yeah, she has intentionally typed this only, or at this character there is no possibility of any mistake, because mistake results to the multiple characters. So a possibility of mistake could be here, that she want to type only V, but because of mistake she typed two times, or may not be the mistake at all, she might be intended to type B only. Then we have here also some possibility that okay, maybe she is doing a mistake here, but that also maybe she is intended to type only C, and due to mistake she typed these extra C, or maybe she is intended to type 2C, but these two extra came because of mistake, or maybe she is intended to type 3C, but this came extra. So there could be multiple possibilities. Okay, and we have to find those possibilities. So let's list down for this, that how many would be there. That one thing is, she might be typing the entire string as an intentional. Okay, she might be typing this string itself. Okay, there is no mistake, because there is given in the question that she might give at most one. So there could be a zero mistake as well. So she is typing this string itself, not a problem. Or this is the problem, maybe she is typing only one B, but because of mistake she typed extra space. So this also might be the string that she is intended to type. Or she is just typing this one, A, B, B and C, but these were coming from the mistake. So this also could be a possibility. Okay, this also could be a possibility that she is typing A, B, B and only C, these three came extra. Or maybe she is typing 2C and these 2C came extra, or she is typing these 3C and this 1C came extra because of the mistake, right? So we can see we have found total 5 such string that she might be typing. Okay, so we have to find that how many total such strings could be the possibility that she is intended to type. Okay, so now the thing is how to do that. So one thing is clear, because wherever the frequency is greater than 1, then only there is the possibility. Now it's not only the total frequency, because you can see one more example. Let's say we have an example like this. For example, we have a string like this, R, A and R. In this case, nothing, R is came 2 times, but they are not consecutive, so answer would be for this string would be 1 only. But at the same time, if you type this string like this, ARR, in that case the possibility could be either C is typing AR or C is typing ARR itself. Okay, so in this case answer is becoming 2, right? Because we are getting 2 in this case, but in this case it is only 1, though R came 2 times, but because they are not consecutive. Okay, so we have to take care. It's not only about the getting the frequency of a character, but the frequency, consecutive frequency in the word, then only it will give us the all possibilities. We just cannot count the frequency in the string who are not the consecutive. Okay, so now what is the intention here is, first of all, every time answer, at least answer 1 would be always there. Observe here that we are starting with the answer variable equal to 1 and previous character is initially null, or you can say white, and count equal to 0, and current character is ch. So we are starting from here. So current character is a here. So hey, a is equal to previous? No, it is not equal to previous. So whenever a is not equal to previous, we are setting this count equal to 1 immediately, because that would be the place where character would be changing. Okay, now now we are going, so a, so now character, this came a. Now this when we are coming to this location B, the previous character we would update like a, so previous character would be now a. Now we are at this B, that hey, this B is equal to previous character? No, it is not equal to previous character. Then we will set this count equal to 1. Whenever there is a mismatch of previous character, we set this count equal to 1. That means a new frequency is getting started. Okay, now we are coming here. So this guy was B, so we will make this previous character now B. Okay, now we are going to this guy, that hey, is this current B is equal to the previous character? Yes, previous character is B here and current character is B here. That means we have to increase the frequency. So I am increasing the frequency by 1. So frequency now would become 2. Okay, now we are coming to here, and the previous character is still B, right? So we will, let's say we are assigning this previous character now B. Now we are coming to this guy C. Okay, so hey, this C is equal to the previous character? No, previous character is B and this is C. So at that time, whenever there is a mismatch of the character, we will check that what is the count value. If this count value is greater than 1, that means we have found this previous one having the multiple frequency, right, greater than 1. So we will add this answer variable. So answer, whatever is the answer, plus count minus 1. Okay, count minus 1, because 1 would be the original value and frequency only might be the prone for error. So we will make 1 plus 2 minus 1. So this would become now 2 only. 1 plus 2 minus 1. Okay, now because this is a mismatch, so we will set this count again to 1. Okay, now this current character was C here. Now our previous character we are encountering here, right? So our previous character now would be updated to C. Okay, now where we are at here, that hey, is this equal to previous character? Yes, it is equal to previous character. So we will make the count by 1, increase count by 1, so it became 2. Now you coming here C. So hey, this C is equal to previous character? Yeah, this is equal to previous character. So we will make it 3, right? It is currently C like this only. So then we are coming to the very final character. Is this equal to previous character? Yes, here also it is equal to previous character. So it is 4, right? So now count value has left with 4. Okay, and everything is done so far. So what we will do is, we will do our answer equal to what? Answer equal to answer plus count minus 1. Okay, so this would be answer plus count minus 1. Minus 1 is for same reason, because one of them, at least one character would be definitely or not be the mistaken, right? So and then we will return our answer. So what would be the answer here? Answer here, it is 2 values already there, so it would be 2 plus count is here 4, 2 plus 4 minus 1. So answer would be 5. So this is what we have to do. So this is my code here. So see here, I have defined this character previous equal to initially this empty character, and count equal to 0 and answer equal to 1. Now what we are doing is we are traversing through this word array. Okay, and we are checking here if ch is not equal to previous. Okay, then we are checking here if ch is not equal to previous, that means there is a mismatch, a new character has been started different from the previous. So at that time we are checking that if count frequency is greater than 1, then answer equal to answer plus count minus 1, and we are resetting count equal to 1. Why? Because this is a new character. Just like at this situation when b was changing for c, then previous was not equal to this c, so and count were 1, so count were 2, so we added answer equal to answer plus count minus 1. So for same reason we are doing this and resetting the count equal to 1 whenever there is a change of the character is happening. Otherwise, if there is no change, that means the same character is repeating, so we are keep on increasing our count, and every time we are making our previous equal to whatever is the current ch, because next time it would be compared. So in this way, when we are coming out of this loop, we are doing this answer equal to answer plus count minus 1, but for when we are coming out of this loop, we are making the answer plus count minus 1, because the last cycle of this count in this loop would be not executed, like just like this here when we are ending to this c, right? So when we are ending to this c, the count would be there in the count variable. Okay, so for that reason we are at the last also we are doing return answer equal to answer plus count minus 1. So let me execute this code. So we are doing this all things in single pass, so it's O of n, that also in single pass and without any extra space. So I am submitting it. So yes, it is submitted. So thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.